In ArtVault Pro, you can easily find and view records by searching, sorting, and using the filters. In this example, we're using the Artworks list view. However, you can use the same functionality in any list view in ArtVault Pro. Let's start with searching. In the upper right-hand corner, there's a search field. Type in all or part of the name you wish to search for and press enter. And the search will be performed. To exit the search again, click on the red X next to the search field. Let's go back into that search again. And now we can sort the records. Here we can select which field we want to sort by. For example, the date created. As you can see, they're now sorted. If we click on this button, we can select if the sorting is ascending or descending. Or we can remove the sorting again. Now let's look at the filters. These are the filter fields. They show you information that is already stored in the database. For example, the artist field will show you those contacts who are already marked as an artist on the artwork record. So we can select an artist, and now we are only viewing those records that have that person as an artist on the record. We can also add a second or third filter, for example, the medium. And we can also add the status and only see those from the list that are available. You can also remove some of the filters. Let's say we decide we only want to see those artworks in general that are available. We can remove both of these filters. And now we're seeing all artworks that are marked as available. As you can see, ArtVault Pro is very flexible in searching and finding records in the list view. Thank you.